If you think grief leaves your decision making untouched, this applies to you. Because what happens in the brain during acute loss can quietly hijack judgment without you realizing it. Here's what most people never hear: grief is not just emotional pain, it is a measurable neurological event. In 2008, research published in the Journal of Neuropsychiatry found bereavement significantly impacts attention, working memory, and executive functioning. Translation: your brain under grief is not firing with normal clarity. When emotional stress spikes, the amygdala, your threat detection center, becomes hyperactive, while the prefrontal cortex, responsible for planning, reasoning, and impulse control, becomes less efficient. That helps explain why some grieving people make shocking financial decisions, relationship choices, or permanent life changes they later barely recognize. This does not mean grief removes accountability. It means biology influences behavior more than people admit. Have you ever made a decision during heartbreak or major loss that felt emotionally justified at the time but looked completely different later? Do you think grieving people are given enough space before making major life decisions? Or does the world expect functioning too quickly? Have you experienced grief brain, yes or no? Viktor Frankl wrote after World War II that between stimulus and response there is a space. Acute grief can make that space feel terrifyingly small. Be real, where did this land for you? Comment, follow Oracle Warrior Goddess, share or repost, and suggest the next psychological topic.